I'm Senator Harkin, Chairman of the Health, Education, Labor, and Pensions Committee in the United States Senate, the committee that was in charge of passing the Affordable Care Act through committee and through the Senate. Today's decision by the Supreme Court is a rigorous, resounding confirmation of the constitutionality of the Affordable Care Act. It is great news for America's families, businesses, and our economy. The Affordable Care Act moves us forward where every person has affordable, quality health care in America. Even though the law will not be fully implemented for several more years, it's already made a big difference in the lives of many Americans. 100 million Americans have received free preventative care. 105 million Americans no longer face lifetime caps on benefits. More than 5 million seniors have saved more than $3.7 billion in prescription drug costs. Nearly 17 million children can no longer be denied coverage because of pre-existing health conditions. Today's decision keeps consumers rather than insurance companies in the driver's seat. Today's decision protects more than $1 trillion in deficit reduction. Today's decision allows us to continue our work replacing the current sick care system with a true health care system, one focused on wellness and prevention and public health and keeping people out of the hospital in the first place. The Supreme Court has made it clear what we have known all along, that those trying to block health care reform are standing on the wrong side of history. For those of us who believe that quality health care is a right and not a privilege, this is a great day. It is time. It's time for Speaker Boehner and the Republicans to put politics behind us, join with us in ensuring that every American has access to quality, affordable care, that no person is denied coverage due to a pre-existing condition. No one has their coverage canceled when they get sick, and to make sure that women are no longer brazenly discriminated against by insurance companies. I've often said that the Affordable Care Act is not like the Ten Commandments, chiseled in stone. It's like a starter home, suitable for improvement. So I call on Republicans to join us in making sensible refinements as we continue to implement the law. I invite the Republicans to bring their toolkits, not their sledgehammers. Let's make the Affordable Care Act work for every American. The choice is to go forward or to be dragged backward. The great majority of Americans, and now the Supreme Court, have said we want to go forward. The justices have spoken. Now let's get back to work, building a reformed health care system that works not just for the wealthy and the healthy, but works for every American.